comes the snow. Drive safe, everyone. And now we're traveling to Anderson. Mega love shout out to everyone, to all our subscribers. Welcome to Pi Canada's vlog. So there's Ricky's driving. Drive safe, my dear. Heavy snow today. So ayan mga guys, mga idol, dito tayo sa may Deerfoot Trail South. We're going to Anderson. So mag-exit po kami sa may Anderson Road. It's January 24, 2026, and it's heavy snow today. So this is Canada Road. And mas snow po dito sa amin ngayon mga idol. Kaya ingat-ingat sa pagmaneho. Ayan. Busy na ang Deerfoot Trail South Road. So good morning everyone. Good evening to all our subscribers. Ayan, thank you so much for all your support. And we're here at Deerfoot Trail South, here in our place, here in Calgary. Ayan, there's a construction. So minor tayo ng konti dito at nagbabasa po to ng speed dito kung gaano kakalakas pagpatakbo. So ayan, 68, we're 62, 54. Wow. Ayan. So pothole repair, drive with caution. Meron talagang paalala dito guys, kasi ano to dito guys, may mga construction to, ginawang mga tulay-tulay. Ayan ang ano dyan, river, by the rivers of Calgary. So ayan guys, again, thank you for watching. Bye!